World timers are usually complicated, cluttered, and honestly a bit boring. But Fairer just proved they can be colorful, mechanical, and actually fun to use. And these might be the most stylish world timers under $2 grand. Today, we're looking at the brand new Fairer World Timer Trilogy. If you're not familiar with Fairer, they're a British independent brand known for bold colors, playful details, and Swiss-made mechanics, all sold direct to consumer to keep prices down. And travel is kind of their thing. The name Fairer literally comes from Old English words like seafarer and wayfarer, so naturally, a world timer makes perfect sense. Here's how it works, and it's actually super intuitive. In the center, you've got a 24-hour rotating disc that makes one full rotation per day. Then there's an internal rotating bezel controlled by this crown at 10 o'clock, printed with 24 cities. Line up your home city at 6 o'clock, and just like that, you can read the time in 23 other cities instantly. No apps, no math, no guesswork. It's one of the cleanest mechanical world time systems out there. But honestly, the real star here is the design. Fairer went all in. The dials are concave, layered, and built using over 40 separate manufacturing steps, which is kind of wild at this price. You get guilloché chapter rings, raised longitude and latitude lines, Lumicast ceramic lume numerals, color-matched date windows, and even a bright orange seconds tip shaped like Fairer's A logo. It's the kind of nerdy detail watch lovers appreciate. Color options are killer too. The Foxe, deep green dial with gold PVD case. The Thorne, rich burgundy, available in steel or gold. They feel vintage, modern, and British all at once. Size-wise, they nailed it. 39 millimeters, 11 millimeters thick, 45 lug to lug, 100 meters water resistance, so it wears like a proper everyday sports watch, not some oversized travel gadget. Inside is a modified Solita, automatic, beating at 4 Hz with a strong 56-hour power reserve. Reliable, easy to service, and perfectly practical. Exactly what you want in a daily mechanical. So here's the thing. Most world timers cost luxury money and look kind of serious. They're fun, colorful, mechanical, and actually affordable. Starting around £1,500, Fairer might have just made the most wearable world timer for everyday life. If you travel or just love watches with personality, this is absolutely one to check out. Which dial would you pick? Green or burgundy? Let me know below. And if you're into cool independent watch brands like this, hit subscribe. There's more coming.